Responsibility is the price of greatness. And there is no free lunch in life. Gideon, not until you accept a responsibility, you cannot become a celebrity. Music. Only great fools are ungrateful. Please appreciate God for His goodness. If you are thankful to God, your tongue will always be full. Music, 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 music. Daddy, thank you for your sin battles you fight for me.
Thank you, Jesus.
When you are connected with the connector, nothing will disconnect you from connection. Shama, 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 shama. Thank God in any situation you find yourself. If you spend 2 minutes complaining, you have just wasted 2 minutes. To be successful, keep success, talk success, and take success. Honorable Prophet Thompson and Reverend Mrs. Gladys Akpomukoro, founder and Bishop of Royal Peace Christian Assembly, Emoji. May God crown you with unmerited favor. For your mercies, for your protections, for your favor that remember. The purpose of greatness is to keep others and lift, and not to have them belittled. Virginia John Palmer, my patron, the Lord is your security. What are we talking about? I say, what are we talking about? The Lord is good, the Lord is good, the Lord is good. not your helper, you will end up a leper. Eruebu kokwo kenyere, oga nari bunu ni eruwedo. Oga na mi eruwedi oba. For your protections, for your favor, for your goodness, for your faithfulness, for your guidance. It is not happiness that makes us grateful, but gratefulness makes us happy. Eruebu kokwo kenyere, oga nari bunu ni eruwedo.